everyone, welcome to my channel Cook with Smriti Purii. How are you? Hope you all doing good and looking forward for my new recipes. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe on my channel. Today we are going to make avocado dip known as guacamole in 2 easy ways. Avocado is a good source of vitamin B, E and C, copper and fiber. It has lot of health benefits like it improves your digestion, reduces your cholesterol, etc. First we are going to make a classic avocado dip and then we are going to make roasted red yellow bell pepper avocado dip. Both the dips are quite easy and simple to make and can be made in less than 10 minutes. Please make this dip and comment how easy was it. And if you upload the pic, do not forget to tag me on my Facebook and Instagram account handle as given below. So let's begin. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember, to make a guacamole, you need a ripe avocado. How do you choose a ripe avocado? First, it should have a stem. Second, its color should be from dark green to black. Third, when pressed, it yields to a gentle pressure but it is not mushy. To store a guacamole, wrap it with a plastic wrap so that all the air is excluded. The dip will be vibrant green and does not change the color. Enjoy the dip with nachos and comment how was it. Your suggestions and queries are welcome. See you next time. Bye bye.